All right, my friends, today we are going to read chapter 1, Preparing for a Festival. Look at the little square with Schwab's head in the tiny part of your screen. You're going to get out this story from your science folder that says chapter 1, Preparing for the Festival. Once you have that out and sitting in front of you, plop down on your table, you're going to get this page out first. This is called your communication board, and you can rip it right off if you want to. This is your communication board, and this is what you're going to have with every story. This communication board right here on Schwab's screen. You have that out. You are able to look at some really important words with us now. So, in the comfort of our own homes, we're going to look at these words. Miss Schwab wants you to focus on 3 big words in this story. The first one is motion. Motion. Motion, can you point to motion on your board? That can be something you can do asynchronously. Motion, find motion, say motion, gesture towards motion, express that you see and understand that word motion is on your board. Motion means moving. Schwab, my head is in motion. It's moving. What else makes motion? Cars make motion. Windshield wipers on a car make motion. Swish, swish, swish. They are moving. Motion, right? Our next word that we're going to look at is force. Can you find force on your board? Force. It's this picture right here. You point to it. You can say it. You can touch it. Force means something pushing on something else. So if something if force is put on something, that means something is pushing it or pulling it, or something that's making something move. I am putting force on my coffee cup right now because I'm making it move. Gravity puts force on our bodies. That can be our next word, gravity. Where's my gravity button? Gravity is down here at the bottom of your board where Miss Schwab's mouse is moving and where I'm pointing. On your board, you can point to gravity. You can say gravity, or you can point to it. Gravity is the force that pushes objects down when they fall. Gravity affects everything on Earth. So Miss Schwab is in here by myself, so I have my mask right here, and I'm just going to drop my mask. Bloop. That is gravity pushing my mask down towards the center of the earth, or in our case, down to the ground. Gravity makes things fall. Everything falls if you drop it. Gravity. Okay, so let's read our story focusing on those 3 words. I pushed the wrong button, but that is okay. There we go. All right, chapter 1, Preparing for a Festival. Oh, we're going to read about Mr. Aaron today. Aaron wants to go to the Fall Motion Festival. He wants to win the grand prize. He needs a team. What is a team? A team is a group of people that work together to win the prize. Aaron needs a team. Aaron's brother Mark will be on the team. Adele and Mila will be on the team. They choose a team name. They will be the Masters of Motion. That is their team name. That's pretty cool. The team learns about motion. What do they learn about? You can find it on your board. They learn about motion, things that move. They will watch how things move. There are many ways to move. They jump, spin, walk, and skip. Can you all try to do that in your houses? Jump, spin, walk, stomp, 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 or skip. You can all do those things. That is your body in motion. 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 Aaron throws a ball in the air. When he throws, he pushes the ball. The push is force. The ball moves through the air. All right, so on your board, you're going to tell me Aaron pushes the ball. Oh, okay. Push is a verb, so you're going to say Aaron pushes the ball. You can do that on your boards right now. Aaron pushes the ball. Aaron pushes the ball. Also, what Aaron does is Aaron moves the ball and puts force on the ball by pushing it. So when you push something, it puts force on it. That's our big idea. Adele pushes a swing. The push is a force. The swing moves through the air. Mila pushes the swing harder. It goes faster. Check it out, you guys. Mila pushes the swing and puts force on the swing. You all can show me that you know that. Show our staff that you know that by pointing to those things on your board. Interact with the text. Mark sees a pine cone fall from a tree. Why did the pine cone fall? Gravity pulled the pine cone to the ground. What pulled the pine cone to the ground? Find it on your boards. Gravity. Gravity pulled the pine cone to the ground. Gravity pulls things to the ground, including raindrops and snow. Aaron, Mark, Adele, Mila are ready. They go to the Fall Motion Festival. They will play games. They will win the grand prize. And that is our story, and we're sticking to it. So, paras, to gauge understanding from these kids right now, we just need them to do one thing. We need them to make a sentence with one of our big words. Tell me about motion on your board. Tell me about force. Or, what does gravity do? That's a good question. Let's do that. Everyone tell us what gravity does. Gravity pulls things to the ground. Gravity is force. So if we can show that we know that, just interact with those three big words, force, motion, and gravity together. Then we have shown that we understand the big idea of the story, and we can send back to school the comprehension questions for these, or we can do them at home. I vote that students on their own, after watching this video, do the cut and paste for the comprehension questions at home. And then maybe they can bring it to school to show us what they've done. Thank you for listening to Ms. Schwab's Preparing for the Festival TED Talk today. I hope you have a good day.